quick video. For a treat, I bought myself earbuds. These are Groove earbuds. In the box you get the case, charging cable, a few spare things to go in your ears, and of course the earbuds themselves. Very, very, very made for idiots. You don't need to have a brain to actually know how these things work. When it's plugged into the case, you've got magnets, so they actually slot in and glue in. If it's red, it's charging. If it's blue, then there's something in the area like a Bluetooth device. Basically, you don't need to have it plugged in to a device to charge. The case itself is a battery, and it will give you an extra 5 or 6 hours of battery life charging up your earpods. You take it out, it automatically turns on. All you got to do then, go to your phone, turn on the Bluetooth, select whatever it's called, GWT I think it is, and that's it. Press play on your music, or record your voice, or whatever, and good to go. So yeah, I tried it wearing a crash helmet, and it's fucking gorgeous fit. It really, really does fit just right inside the helmet, because when that's actually inside your ear, that piece inside. I'm not wearing a sports helmet, I'm just wearing a standard helmet, and it's great for the bike. Plus, the one problem, because there are no wires, that's a bad thing in some ways, because it means you take the helmet off, you forget you're wearing the fucker, and it basically flies off. You've got to go and look for it. The sound quality is fucking brilliant. It's really, really good grunty bass. I could not have it on full volume. I only use one earpiece because I've got one ear that fucking works. But yeah, my lid, no trouble at all. Hearing it, I had it on half volume, and it was still a good volume to hear with. So even on a bike, and I've got a fairly grunty exhaust, I doubt very much I'd need it over 3/4 volume so I can actually hear the music, which on my other earpieces can't hear shit. So yeah. Oh, the price. I just got these, and it's November 2021. On their website, they're selling them for 25 quid. I just got them for 20 in Tesco. So they might blow up in 2 days' time or give me earache. I don't know. See how it goes. So far, so good.